Magbigay tayo, magbigay tayo, Papa P.
Oh, maganda naman kasi PJ nangyari doon sa London, di ba? Nabanggit mo kanina yung London. So, yun, naging okay kayo. Tapos, Casey tweeted about it pa, yung picture nyo. So, may happy moment na naganap doon. So, how was it?
Happy moment.
I guess it was just magnified sa social media because Christina and I are actually okay.
Actually, since
even before
February pa.
Yeah, London. Ever since her Lola passed, we kind of broke the ice already when I sent my condolences, and then ayun. And when we would see each other, okay naman kami. Siguro we just had a chance to talk lengthily. Nagkaroon kami ng oras para we didn't even talk about the past. I mean, parang how are you na, this and that. So ganun lang, and it was a happy moment, parang ang sarap kasi it's a thorn off your chest para sa payapaan na rin ng mga tao, para sa ekonomiya, di ba? So yun, parang sa akin, maraming humihingi sa Instagram, ang dami pa rin yung mga love teams namin, so parang
oo nga, oo.
Pag nakita mo yung comments sila, parang
correct,
pati sila nabunutan ng tinek, so ang saya lang makapagpasaya ng tao. Miski okay naman talaga kami, pero at least for their peace of mind, nakita nila na we're really okay.
Oo. Hindi kasi namin alam yan, PJ. Kumbaga may ginawa ka palang effort na without the public knowing, nung namatay si Mami Elaine. So, ilang months ago na yan matagal-tagal na rin kayong okay.
Yeah, and this is a very small circle, we work, the same station, so hindi naman pwedeng hindi kayo magpansinan. So we get to see each other, we get to say hi to each other. Pero I guess that was just the first time that we were able to really talk and bond.
Maganda yun kasi wala na kayong awkwardness if ever sa ASAP you can do prod together na.
That's right.
Diba? Tapos maybe even a project ulit.
That's right.
Wow, that's right.
Okay,
On a Sunday.
Last na lang. Tapos kasi ngayon nga, may poll yung mga nag-poll sa mga, nag-survey sa mga fans nyo. Kayo yung pair na gusto nilang, number ng top na pinaka gusto nilang magbalikan. Anong reaction
That's
mo?
right.
On a Sunday, that's right.
On a Sunday.
Ano
why not? I mean,
why not? Sa balikan.
Yeah. I mean, napakaliit naman ng mundo eh. I mean, at the end of the day, in all honesty, ayokong may kaaway, ayokong may kagalit, ayokong may iniiwasan, ayokong may bawal dito or ang daming concerns. Parang happy lang lahat, Trabaho lang, if you have to do it, bigyan ng istasyon, syempre, ayoko lang talaga na may issue. So okay lang sa akin.
Open ka sa balikan.
On a Sunday.
Okay, thank you.